Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished my live video. Like, I am the host, if you didn't know. If you don't know, now you know. I am the host for Now Marketing Group's monthly live show, Now and Them. We play games, talk about social media news. It's so much fun. It's like an hour-long show. And so my desk is all set up. I've got my ring light, I've got my microphone, my webcam, all the things for the live show. It was a really good show, super fun. So now I am like doing my post live show things. Like, I'm putting my microphone and stuff back on here. I'm gonna move the tripod back, or not the tripod, the ring light back to here. Gotta move the desk back, you know, resituate the feng shui. And I have also like some more work that I need to do to kind of finish up the day. So I'm gonna do that. I also though I kind of wanna get started with dinner before Matt gets home. He's always so good about like making us dinners and everything. And we are gonna do like a super easy dinner vibe today because, I'll put the camera right here. We are going to New York this weekend, New York City / Long Island, to visit my family, my dad specifically. Okay, 450. Preheat to 450. Okay, so we're gonna preheat the oven. So Matt and I are gonna do a frozen pizza for dinner tonight and eat leftovers of this amazing pasta dish that he made us yesterday. But it's not enough pasta for the both of us, so we're gonna need a little something else to supplement. So I was like, frozen pizza it is, so I figured I'd get started with that. So yeah, let me get this desk back in order and then we'll talk a little bit more. I'm so excited for Matt and Gouda to get home. I know it might sound like silly, but I literally miss them. Like, they've been gone since, I don't know, like 7:30 this morning, and or maybe 8, and I just miss them so much. I can't wait for them to be home. Pizza is in, timer is on. Got a tissue. You guys, I've been feeling like I'm like on the verge of a cold for like days now. Honestly, almost like a week now. I feel like I've been like, am I getting a cold? And every day it's like, no, I don't think so. But I think I'm just feeling cold, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? So anyway, frozen pizza's in. I'm gonna finish up a little bit of work. It says it's 74 in here, you guys, but I am so freaking cold. Oh, I feel like I just keep increasing the temperature. Watch how Matt comes and is like, why is it so hot in here? But we've got pizza in the oven. The leftover pasta is gonna be so good. You guys, pro tip, if you're making pasta, like use the pasta water in your cooking. Like, use the pasta water as to kind of like make a sauce for the pasta. Oh, it's so freaking good. So anyway, I'm debating whether I want to like take off my full face of makeup now or wait a few minutes. I'm gonna do some more work and then take off my makeup and everything. So let's go do that. Just got the framing all set up for a little photo that I want to take for a post for Now Marketing Group for next week. There's literally less than 2 minutes left on the pizza. And Matt and Gouda should be on their way home soon. So the pizza is made. So I am gonna take my makeup off now. I want to have a fresh face. I'm gonna need to pack up all this makeup for New York. So actually, You know what? I'm gonna show you guys what I end up packing to New York. I'm gonna finish up my packing and everything tomorrow. So I'm gonna make this one like a little chatty vlog. We'll pick it back up tomorrow. I need to try on some outfits, so that'll be a fun thing for us to do together. Such a good workout this morning, and I just did my nails, painted them this like really nice like gray blue color. Obviously used my Remedy Nails nail polish, and then they have this thing called the Modest Matte treatment, which is like a matte finish on your nails. Let's see if the camera will. So how nice does that look, you guys? Like, rather than a glossy finish, it's a matte finish, and I freaking love it. And I do consulting work for Remedy Nails, so I just recorded some video clips as well of me doing my nails to send to Casey, who is the girl that I work with. She is like the executor for the social media stuff. So now that my nails are done, I need to make a protein shake. I have a call in a little bit. I have some more work to get done, so I'm gonna do all of those things. Oop, that's my alarm going off to remind me of my call. I need to make breakfast. I have like a million things that I need to do in the next 20 minutes, so I'll check back in with you guys after. I just finished my work for the day, and I got my latest Revolve package in the mail, you guys. I am so excited to try this dress on. If you've been watching the vlog, you know that I got a Revolve package delivered like 2-ish weeks ago or something like that. And I got this dress for an event that Matt and I are going to in February, but the dress was too big. So I returned it and was looking at like everything else that Revolve had. I decided to not reorder the exact same dress, but I decided to order a different dress. So fingers crossed, the size small in the old dress was too big, but I'm like never a size extra small. So for this new dress that I ordered, I also ordered it in a size small. So fingers crossed that it fits. I'm gonna try it on now, so let's see. Another Revolve dress, another fail, guys. And it's not Revolve's fault. I just think that maybe I really am an extra small for Revolve clothing. The dress just, it feels a little big. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of this whole situation here. I just don't think it's very flattering. So yeah, as much as I wanted this dress to work out for the wedding, I just don't think this is I don't think it's the best option. So I do have a dress in the closet that I was thinking of wearing, so I am just gonna try that on now so that I know whether or not I need to try to try on like a third dress option, because this just isn't doing it for me. So what I'm gonna make sure to do today is I'm gonna get this returned today, because there's no time like the present. So this is the dress that I already have. And while it's not like crazy flattering by any means, like it's not really form-fitting, it's a really nice color, it's a nice long dress. I feel super comfortable in it and confident, so I think that this might be the dress. I'll probably end up bringing 2 options just in case, but I already have this in my closet. Feels really good, it fits, and I could tie this belt tighter around my waist so that it kind of like cinches my waist a little to give the dress a little more shape, since right now it's pretty like shapeless, like it's pretty just like straight down. But this to me feels like a really good option, and I also have a really good long black dress, and since it's a black tie wedding, you can never go wrong with a just standard long black dress. So I think I'm gonna hold off on spending any money. I'm gonna go do this return at Revolve, get the $90 back for the dress, and just stick with 2 things that I already have. So before I go make my return, I told you guys that I'm packing for New York. So I figured I would give you guys a little look into how I packed and tell you how, like, my strategy for packing rather than show you everything I packed, because I'll probably end up showing you guys like the outfits and stuff because I'm gonna be vlogging in New York next week when we're there. I probably could have condensed this into like a suitcase, but I wanted to bring more of my shoulder bags than my rolling suitcase. So I split up my bags in 3 different ways. So this bag has all of my, and this is my base. Matt's mom got me this bag for Christmas. Here, let me show you guys because it's so nice. So this is the base weekender bag. This bottom part, you guys can see here, there is a zip here for this bottom part, which is like a hard part where I'm gonna put shoes. So nice. There's so many different like storage compartments and everything. The bag is really big. So what I decided to do was I packed up 2 of my little packing cubes. I did one with underwear, one with socks, and everything in this bag is like my workout clothes and stuff. So I've got leggings and my little crop tank tops for exercising. So that's what I've got in the base bag. This top bag, I have coats. So I have my long winter coat from Abercrombie, which if you guys have been watching the vlog, you saw me get in Rochester. I have my Doc Martens in here, and I also have some winter hats as well, because I know that it'll probably be cold in the city. And then in this bottom bag is where I have my jeans, my pants, my shirts, and sweaters. And I already started packing some of Gouda's stuff as well. I'm gonna bring these sneakers here for workouts. I'll honestly probably end up putting them either in this bag or in the bottom of the base bag with my white Nikes. My biggest advice, you guys, when it comes to packing is to make a thorough list and also try to pack in outfits. So last night I put together this little list here of outfits of the things that I'm planning on wearing on the different days, because like tomorrow, Saturday, is gonna be a travel day, so I need to actually figure out what I'm gonna wear for that. And then we're coming back in a week. So we'll leave on Saturday, we'll come back on Saturday. So we'll be there Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I started to plan out all the different outfits for what I'm gonna be wearing on each day that we're there, because there are gonna be some days where I go into the city. There are gonna be some days where we're just hanging. We're gonna go out for dinner one night with my friend Ben and his girlfriend. So there are just a bunch of different plans. So I made sure to kind of like map out my outfits for all the different things we're doing. Oh, I'm just getting so excited. So I'm actually gonna end off the vlog here because I'm gonna pick it back up when we get to New York and maybe even vlog a little bit of the road trip to New York. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out, and hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.